Hello everyone, welcome to a new vlog. It's late night, about 11 p.m. I'm gonna meet my friend Meryl. He just came from Kuwait. We're gonna shoot my car in a place that I call the Burj Khalifa Loop, and I traced it on Google Maps, and basically it's like a panoramic view of the Burj Khalifa 24/7. You can take the loop like continuously, and you will always have the view of the Burj Khalifa beside you. Supposedly on the left, unless you do it like opposite side, it should be on the right, but I designed it to be on the left. So yeah, let's go to Meryl. So now we're at this parking lot. We spent the time filming. We went around the Burj Khalifa, like all this area. We did the loop. Now at this parking lot, taking some pictures and some videos. I've just put the flashing lights. That's my friend Meryl over there, the thick guy. And then after this, we roll somewhere else. So, if you don't know, I bought these lights on Amazon, and I just stuck them there. They're kind of sick. Can't wait to receive also the lights for the fog lights next week, so then I can have like a proper sick video. It's gonna be looking nice. Yeah, I'll just use it for like videos and pictures, but yeah, I don't plan to use them on the road unless it's like empty. But yeah, the result is quite nice, quite cool. So I just said bye to my friend Meryl. We might meet again tomorrow, so you should see now a continuation of the video for tomorrow. Where we're going to another spot, again to Maiden, where I went to take pictures of my car last time in the last vlog. And because I want to replicate a video that I took before when I got my car, and when it was still like stock, it just had the rims back then, and to do like a reel for Instagram that's like trending at the moment, and just nice to show also how was my car and how it is now. And yeah, then you should see, I don't know if I already do tomorrow or the day after. I'm planning to paint the grill, like the inside of the grill, in black and leave like the chrome around. So if I have time tomorrow morning, I might do that, so it might be looking cool. So now it's the day after, it's afternoon, like sunset time, and I'm heading to Maiden to take some pictures and videos. I'm gonna meet again my friend Meryl. Hopefully we get some nice stuff. You should upload it like on Instagram, so follow on Instagram at @Michael.Piaz. And if you follow me on Instagram, you can see daily updates and more content more often, so why not give it a follow, Michael.Piaz. Yeah, now on the way, I should be there in about 20 minutes. We were not able to get a lot of content last night, unfortunately, because I hoped to have less traffic. Like I was thinking there was gonna be less traffic driving at not really satisfied with it. I would like to have different type of clips. So need to try again next time. Might try to test the DJI Pocket 2, I think it's called, because there is the 3, but my friend Ben, he has the 2, so we might try to put it like on his car and check how it works. It should have a nice tracking, so we should be able to get like super cool videos. Maybe I'm gonna have even better content. Also, it shoots always in 4K, so it's gonna be nice. See you at Maidan. Peace. As you can see, we reached Maidan. It's a horse course. There is this parking spot that's always empty. There's those two guys that look like bodyguards. But they're not, they just wanna be. Especially this guy. Just found this spot, taking some pictures and videos. Looking nice, sky is cool. Golden hour is there. Mirror seems focused. But probably this pole is more focused than him.
What's focus? Security high.
Oh shit. There's security coming on us. So we find ourselves leaving because apparently they said that we were not allowed to take pictures in an empty parking lot. That it's weird because there is absolutely no one. Yeah, they kicked us out, so we didn't say anything, we just left. We don't want any trouble, so we just, so I told Meryl that let's just head out, like let's not make any issue, and they're just doing their job. So now we're gonna find a different spot and let's see what we can find and take pictures of, or if we can just go and chill and head back home and call it a day. So we came to Baskin Robbins and I ordered a cup with 2 flavors. I got 2 cups. I don't know how I'm gonna eat it. But Meryl is having like a heart attack. Like his brain is having a heart attack.
My brain got a heart attack.
Let's check the skyline over there.
Oh,
It got dark quite fast since it's winter time. And it's becoming cold. I don't have a sweater or a jacket, so time to rush back home. And yeah, call it a day. I got, even this time, Chinese food, but from a different place. Gonna have dinner and probably edit this video or watch Netflix. Made it back home, about to enter my building, got the dinner. Yeah, chill day, chill past night. It was nice to see again Meryl after a long time. I don't even remember when was the last time he was here, probably like 6 months ago, where we shot also my car. Maybe more than 6 months actually, because my car was still stock back then. No, he actually came when I put the body kit, but I was still on the other wheels. So yeah, it's been a while I haven't seen Meryl, so it was nice to see him. We created some content today. He will post it on the page. I might post it also on my Instagram page, so make sure to follow. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Appreciate every one of you subscribing to my channel. I'm growing quite fast, so please leave a like, a comment, share and subscribe. See you next time.